Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore employer stock sale planning with E-Trade step by step clearly. To restore employer stock sale planning with E-Trade, begin by logging into your E-Trade account. Navigate to the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Select Stocks from the drop-down menu. Locate your employer stock holdings in your portfolio overview. Click on the stock you wish to sell. Review the current market price and your cost basis for the stock. Decide on the number of shares you want to sell. Click the Trade button to initiate the sale process. Choose Sell as your action in the trade window. Enter the number of shares you intend to sell. Set your desired order type, such as market or limit. If using a limit order, specify the price at which you want to sell. Review the order details carefully for accuracy. Confirm that you understand any tax implications related to the sale. Click Submit to finalize your order. Monitor your order status to ensure it executes as expected. Once the sale is completed, check your account for the updated cash balance. Review your financial plan in light of the stock sale. Consider consulting a financial advisor for tax planning and investment strategies. Update your employer stock sale plan to reflect your current financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.